today I am going to show you how to make your own aloe vera gel. For any particular purpose, I make mine to retwist my locks. So first, I typically just go ahead and wash it. I got my aloe vera plant from Safeway. Next, I cut the ends off. Typically, the skinnier piece at the top you don't need because you won't get gel. And I cut my aloe vera into 4 sections. This will help you when it comes to peeling the plant and getting the gel. Next, you are going to want to trim off the sides and then you're going to soak it in water. When you soak it in water, it will help take this yellow goo that comes with the aloe vera. You let it sit there for about 15 minutes. And a great key side note is to let your aloe vera gel soak in hot water. It will make it extremely much easier to peel, especially if you choose the option to peel on both sides. Now, after the 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and peel the skin off. Now, let me tell you, I've done this before. I do not know what was going on with my knife and hand coordination when the cutting, but you probably a better peeler when it's your first time. But I've done this before, so I'm like, okay, it would be the day I videotape. But needless to say, go ahead and peel your aloe vera skin off. Make sure you don't peel too deep or cut too deep down and take too much of the gel. You're going to do this with all of your pieces. After you peel off your one side of your aloe vera, you could do one or the other. You can peel the other side off, then place the gel inside of a bowl, or you can grab a spoon and go ahead and get a deeper dive and go ahead and take off the gel from the plant. I've done this both ways. I honestly can say peeling both sides off before and to just place it in a bowl versus trying to peel with a spoon is much easier. I will also post a video of me doing that as well. You are going to continue this until you finish all of your aloe vera pieces. Next, with all the pieces or the gel that's in your bowl, you are going to grab a strainer or any type of strainer. I've seen some people use a back strainer with their hands, Or you can go ahead and use a typical strainer that you would do when you are straining the water from your pasta. You're going to place your aloe vera gel into your strainer. Once you place your aloe vera gel in your strainer, you're going to keep the bowl and you're going to place the bowl underneath your strainer. After you place the bowl underneath your strainer, you can either grab a mallet or you can grab a spoon. I did not have a mallet in this particular video. However, once again, a mallet is much easier than a spoon, and you're going to press the aloe vera gel into your strainer, and you're going to watch all the gel just soak right on out. Now, I will admit with the spoon, it is a tad bit more tedious. However, it will get the job done if you do not have a cooking mallet with you. So you're just going to continue pressing and pressing and pressing until you feel as if all the gel is being soaked from the actual plant. Now, I will say that eventually the key way to know that you have gotten all the gel out is that you will see that it will stop straining from the strainer. So, as you can see, I lift it up and I'll keep checking and keep checking. It took me a good 8 to 10 minutes using a spoon. When I finally used a mallet, it took me probably 5 minutes or less. And I did eventually get a bigger bowl because I realized that the smaller bowl that I had was too small. And if you like this cute bowl, you can go ahead and check out Home Inspirations by KDI. I probably just said it wrong. KBI. Either or. I will drop the I'll drop the link in the chat. Um, this website have a lot of cute home decors for your house. And here you have it, your aloe vera gel. Thank you for watching.